Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In previous video I showed you how to install WooCommerce, some basic settings, how to build some default pages of WooCommerce, and how to add a simple product. Now in today's video I'll show you what are the attributes and how they function into our WooCommerce products and how variations work, how you can add variations using the product attributes. If you open that product which we added in our previous video, then you can see that there is no attribute added here. There are two types of attributes. One attribute can be added directly through here, and you can add the name, which is custom product attribute. Click on add and name it, for example, color, and the color for this product will be black, for example. Let's save it. Click this visible on product page. If you click this and open this product on front end, then you will be able to see in additional information which color is black. So this is an attribute, but this is a local attribute which we just added a name and a value. But if you are adding a global attribute, global attributes are defined in this section, and there are a lot of attributes already added for me here, but let me show you how to add them by yourself. Click on attribute. Now let's add a new attribute called size. Click on add attribute. Okay, now search for size and click on configure terms, because we have to add some values to this size as well. Okay, now the size will be 4 and press enter, 5, press enter, 6 and 7. If you are using small, extra small, large and extra large, then you can use XL, double XL, triple XL, like that. But it's just an example, so you have to understand this. Now our size is a global attribute. Now if we refresh the product here, the edit product page, then come to the attributes. Now in this list you will find an attribute which is size. If you add this size attribute here, then you can see that you cannot change the name of the attribute. In the local attribute you can change the name and add values. For example, if you add black and then pipe sign and then add white, then there will be two values for this color attribute. But in the size it's different. You cannot change the name, but for values as well you can add multiple values, but you cannot type anything here. Typing is just for searching a value. For example, if you type 3 or 2 or 1, then if its name is there, then it will be detected. But if you type 6, then you can see here is 6, 7. Okay, then all these attributes will be added. Now let's save it and let's check on front end. Refresh the page, come to additional information. Colors available are black and white, and sizes available are 4, 5 and 6 and 7. But you cannot choose these options while adding the products to your cart, because these are just the attributes. These are not variations. Variation means that when you choose a different size or a different color, then the buyer will know, the seller will know which size or which color do you want for this product. So for that, first we will change this product from simple to variable. So this is a variable product where you can select multiple variations of a product while you purchase this. Okay, after changing it to variable product, come to attributes, and let's say for colors this will be an extra option for variable. So click on this, used for variation, and similarly in size click on used for variation as well. Click on save attribute. Both attributes will be saved. Now come to variations. In the variations, we have 4 values for size and 2 values for colors, which means there will be 2 multiplied by 4, 8. There will be 8 variations because each size will be combined with each color. Let's say add variations and choose this option, create variations from all attributes. Click on go, then it will automatically create 8 variations, and it already told you that. Okay, now you can see the combinations: black with 4, black with 5, 6, 7, and then white with 4, white with 5, 6, and 7. So you can change prices for all these. Let's say we are using the size for price. Let's say 4 and 5 have $50. 4 and 5 price is 50. You can also change the image for each variation, but I'm not doing this in this tutorial. But if you change it, then if you have different colors t-shirt, then you can add black for black. Similarly, this one is also black, but the sizes will remain the same. Only the difference will be the price for the size. Okay, so for 4 and 5 size it will be 50, but for 6 and 7 size it will be 60. And I'll show you how it works on the front end. Similarly, change it for white as well. 4 and 5 50, and 6 and 7 are 60. Now click on save changes for variations. After saving changes for this, just update your product and open the product on your front end and refresh it. Now the main difference you will see is there are 2 drop downs here. Once and you will see the price from 50 to 60 depends on which variation you are selecting. If you choose color black, then the price will remain the same. Let's say 4 size, then the price is 50. If you change the color from black to white, then the price will be not changed. But if you change from 4 to 5, it will also be 50, but if you change it to 60, 6 size, then it will be 60. For 6 and 7 we chose the price is 60. Now when you click on add to cart, then the seller will know which size and which color t-shirt the buyer wants, and it's the stock, it's already a default option. And also if you come to additional information, then you can see these attributes, because we chose an option which is for attributes visible on product page. If you choose this option and if you deselect this and this, then save attributes, then you will not be able to see this in additional information. Only the variations will be shown, but we chose both of them, so both of these options are showing here and here. So this is the variable product and how the attributes works. So this was all for today's video. I hope you learned something from this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel, and you will be notified for all our future videos. Thank you.